Welcome back to Ron's RC Garage in Peoria, Arizona. It's June 13th today. Temperature's supposedly going to reach 108 or 109. It's about 8:15 in the morning. So we're going to try and go to the park and do some video before we reach that temperature. The truck we're going to use today is this number 21 truck. It's one of our old 15-year-old first generation Maxx model 4910s. It's got a set of wheels on it with a little more offset, makes it about a ½ inch wider. We're going to try and do 3 different cams. We're going to try and do a windshield cam out the front, and a cam out the rear window, and for the first time ever for us, we're going to try and do a suspension cam pointing at the left front control arms. Could be interesting. About 14 years ago, we installed a OS 21RG engine on this. At that time, it required an extended chassis, which is considerably thicker than the stock one. Makes the wheelbase about 1.25 inches longer, but it also adds a lot of weight to the truck. This truck weighs well in excess of 10 pounds. And thus, the wider wheels, we've got the truck lowered, but it is still a handful. But it's a lot of fun. This truck runs an open rear end. There's no spool in it. We run a 2270 gear in this truck, so it's got a really nice top end. And with the Torquey 21 engine in it, it still accelerates quite well. The little video camera we're using is Replay XD. And of course, we purchased that from Quicks RC in Tolleson, Arizona. It's been working quite well. So before it gets any warmer out, we're going to put this little truck in our other little truck and go down to the park and see how this works out. Thank you for watching. We're going to try and keep the rubber side down this time. Bye.